Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology, the advanced 4K VR underwater drone with robotic arm, specifically the EVO standard model. This is being presented as the ultimate tool for marine exploration, designed for both professionals and enthusiasts. Right off the bat, the headline feature is its ability to capture the underwater world in stunning detail. It boasts immersive 4K video recording, promising an unparalleled visual experience, bringing the ocean's mysteries right to your screen. For those looking to go deep, it offers an extended operating range thanks to its 100-meter cable and a robust remote control system. It's also built tough, designed to withstand temperatures from a chilly -10 degrees Celsius all the way up to a warm 60 degrees Celsius, suggesting it can handle various environments. Powering your exploration is a long-lasting 9,000 milliamp hours battery, providing up to 4 hours of operational time. Control is intuitive with FPV, or first-person view, operation, offering real-time feedback via seamless Wi-Fi connectivity. What really seems to set this drone apart is the inclusion of a robust robotic arm. This adds a whole new dimension, allowing for interaction with the underwater environment, not just observation. Imagine being able to retrieve small objects or manipulate things down there. The description highlights its versatility, suggesting it's ideal for marine research, underwater photography, recreational diving, and even fishing. Whether you're exploring coral reefs, monitoring marine life, or perhaps searching for something specific on the seabed, this tool aims to be your perfect underwater companion. Its combination of advanced technology, like the 4K VR and the robotic arm, with user-friendly features, extended battery life, and sturdy build, is presented as ensuring a hassle-free and enjoyable experience. It measures in at about 15 by 13 by 5.6 inches, a relatively compact size for such capability. It certainly appears to be a comprehensive package for anyone serious about exploring beneath the waves.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.